Hello and good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. I'm here to talk about 6.7, the Earth Explorer. So you've made it into this assignment and we are in the directions video. So I'm just going to talk through these directions and show you what to do. So the link below, the Earth Explorer, is what you want to click on. I'm on my computer waiting to get a cord so I can show you on my iPad again, but it's not coming until next week. So you're going to click on this link. It's going to open up. You're going to want to open it up in Safari for the easiest use, but you can do it right there on that screen. And there are 2 pages to complete today. So I'm going to go through and show you what is due for you. Okay, so here we are on this page. Turn on student view. So we're at Earth, and we've already done Engage last week, and now we're on Explore. There are 2 pages, 1 and 2. You don't have to do Explore More Resources. You can if you want to. A few reminders. You can go over here to Language. It's currently set at English Reading Level B, which is the easier one. You can bump it up to A, which is a little more difficult, or change it to Spanish there. Also, you should be taking notes as we do this. So a reminder that if you highlight a sentence, say you want to write a note about that, you can just highlight it. You can take some notes on it. You can have it read to you. Any of those are options. Okay. So either you're taking notes on paper, with paper that you have, a notebook or just any old paper, or you are taking notes on here. And that's going to help out with these assessments at the end of each unit. So you're going to read through what are characteristics of Earth that allow it to support life. Remember, these blue highlighted words will bring you to a glossary. It'll open up another page and I'll explain it a little more. So now we're really talking about the planet we're on here. So you read a few things and then there's a video, a little bit longer one. Some more to read. Why we talk about water all the time. It's very important. This gets into why we are in the Goldilocks zone, which sounds maybe more interesting than it might be to you. And then at the bottom, we got solar system. Okay, and here's an image. Obviously, this isn't a real picture, but it is relative to where it is away from the sun and its size. So you see Pluto way over here. Looks really tiny. We got some bigger ones, Jupiter and Saturn in the middle. And then our sun right here. So it's not to scale. It's just on relative position and size. So you're going to go through and you're going to answer the questions on the bottom there. Okay. Okay, so at the bottom, okay, you will choose from this drop-down menu. Okay, so it says choose, and you are going to pick the planet that matches whatever's written above it. Okay, so that's the first page. The second page here, why can't the moon and other inner planets sustain abundant life? So first to talk about the moon a little, there's a video. And then talking about Mercury a little bit, Venus, Mars, which we talked about a little in that planetarium exhibit that we had in school. We got 4 videos here. Some are repeats and they were in the reading above. So this Martian axial tilt is a repeat one. Just watch the ones you haven't seen. And there's 2 parts to this next one. A Venn diagram here. So Lynn, here we got a scenarios learning about planets. And you got all these terms and words. So these terms and words are down here and you just drag them to where they should go. So Earth, does it have water? Does Mars have water, or do they both have water? So you're going to put those all in the right spot and hit submit. And then there's another tab. So it's the same characteristics we just saw. And you are reviewing them and choose 2 of them. Just pick 2 and explain how these characteristics relate to each planet's ability to sustain life. So you just need to pick 2 of them and talk about that. And you type that in here. So you're going to submit that. And that is what I'll be grading for this section. All right, if you have questions, I do have office hours. There's information on that on Schoology. Or you can always email me. If you're having trouble, we can set up a different time if those times don't work for you. All right, have fun learning about the Earth.